Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by ensuring safety and access before you touch the Ring unit. Turn off power at the circuit or flip the doorbell to remove the battery. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the faceplate with about 3 turns. Keep screws in a small container so you do not lose them. Gently pull the front away to expose the battery. The battery pack clicks out with one firm pull. Place the battery on a clean, dry surface ready for charging. Connect the Ring battery to a 5V 1A USB charger using the micro USB cable. Ensure the cable and port are clean before you plug anything in. A charging LED will show progress and blink while charging. Typical charge time ranges from 5 to 12 hours, depending on how depleted the battery is. Charge the battery indoors between 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Avoid charging in direct sunlight or near moisture to preserve battery. After charging, reinsert the battery into the doorbell until it clicks into place securely. Reattach the faceplate and tighten screws with the Phillips head screwdriver. Restore power at the circuit or switch on the doorbell to resume operation. Open the Ring app and test live view and motion alerts for 5 minutes to verify proper function. If the battery percentage does not rise after charging, update the device firmware or contact Ring support for further diagnostics and options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.